Next question by MXM Gonmail. How many hours do you practice, bro? Honestly, I don't practice. I used to practice all the time. Now, I just get in the studio, I hear a beat, I write to it, I record. Do I practice while I'm writing? I guess you can call it practice, because when I'm writing, I'm rapping it. So every line I write, I rap it a few times. Go to the next, rap it a few times. Go back, rap it a few times. Then start over, rap whatever I wrote so far, then write another line. Go back to the top, rap it, write another line. Go back to the top, rap it, write another line. You get it.